Alright, so this is how you replace a rear wiper blade on a 2015 Mazda CX-5. This is probably the same for most Mazda products. Alright, so we're going to start with this old blade down here. We're going to put our fingers and spread this plastic clip out of the way like that. We're going to set that aside. That allows our wiper arm to come up. I'm going to rotate my wiper blade, okay, just like that. So it kind of, this, if you can kind of see this shape, this is what's holding it in there, and this is the bar. So you're rotating it until you can slip it out this way. I'm replacing with original Mazda blades because not only are they good priced, but just like with Honda products, you can just in the future just replace the rubber blade and keep the wiper arm, which is even cheaper. So wiper blades can actually be very expensive. So I'm gonna go with these, and then in the future, whenever my daughter needs new wiper blades, we'll just buy this rubber blade portion. So save some money that way. All right, so this wiper has a direction. You have this little notch. So this notch is going to be like this, where this part's going to be closer to the window, and then when it goes up, that's going to be out farther. So I'm going to start off in reverse order, kind of rotate this until I can kind of pop that down in that hole just like that, and then I want to push, rotate my wiper down, and it locks itself in. That's it. It's back installed. It's not going to come off. So that's how easy that is. I'm going to take this cap. This little partial circle has to fit in that gap, though. I just need to come straight in like this. Snap back on. This doesn't come up like most wipers. Most wipers you could angle up to clean under, but this one doesn't. It stays close like that. It's just the way they're made, so don't break it by trying to force it out. So that's our rear wiper. We're going to change the front driver's side wiper blade on our Mazda CX-5. This is a 24-inch Mazda blade. So I want to pop this up like that, just with my finger. Allow me to rotate this. So this kind has this, let's get the shape of this bar if you can. So it's kind of hooking it in there. So again, we're going with a new Mazda blade so that in the future, when my daughter needs new blades, all I have to do is replace the rubber portion. This had a little protective plastic coating on there. Don't forget to take that off when you put this on. It says open on there. I want to hook that right here and then snap that closed. So I'm going to come in from the bottom like this. You see that? I'm just going to put it right in there like that and slide it up like that. Now I'm going to close that. We're locked in. So that's our front wiper blade. All right, this is our front passenger side windshield wiper on our 2015 Mazda CX-5. This is an 18-inch Mazda blade. So we're gonna go ahead and grab this clip right here on this old blade. This is not a Mazda blade that's on here right now. We're gonna slide that one off. It's that hook style like that. So I'll put links in the description with part numbers and everything. So I'm going back to Mazda blades for my daughter because not only are they reasonably priced at the Mazda dealership, but also this is a blade cover. You're going to want to take that off before you put those on. You can just replace the rubber strip when they go bad, and it saves a lot of money. So this comes with this metal clip that says open. We want to open it like that. We want to slide that hook over this, and once we get it in place, we're going to snap that down. So we want to do it just like this, where we kind of angle the wiper. So see how I have my blade, and I'm going to slide it down in there. I'm going to snap this in. It's locked in. We're done. So that's how you change your wiper blades on your Mazda.